Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm in my bathroom and I just wanted to do an update video on the NeuroMD. This is the first night that I'm going to be using it. I just jumped out of the shower, made sure that my skin was really cleaned and that everything looks super smooth, because they did say that you want to make sure that the skin is really smooth and clean on your lower back. I set it for strength 8 at the moment. So strength 8 right there. That's what I felt comfortable with. And it said that it goes up to strength 30. It's pretty crazy. I don't know if I can get anything higher than 8. They did say that the higher the level, the better your results will be. So I'm really hoping that I can get up to level 30, but hey, whatever. You'll see that right here with everything that you're seeing here. There's a power button, there's the mode. There's 2 modes right now on M1. That's what they suggest being on for a little bit here. So I have it set on M1. You can change it by just clicking once on here and it'll change to M2, and then switch it back by clicking again. It'll switch to M1. Then obviously you have the start play button here and then the pause button. So this will, one time will start everything. And if you want to click it again, it'll go ahead and pause the session. It does automatically run for 25 minutes. It does that automatically once you start the session. And it's super, super easy. So I do have the pad right here just for kicks. Here's the controller. And then let me just show you guys my lower back. So I have it here on my lower back and it is pulsing at the moment. And it pulses in about every 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, would pulse on, and then it would pulse for about 3 seconds, and then it turns off, and it kicks back on after like 15 to 20 seconds. So pulse for like 1 or 2 seconds. It's doing it right now. It's just stopped, and then it kicked off. I'll let you guys know when it kicks back in. Hasn't kicked in. It's kicked in. It stopped. So that kind of gives you the rhythm, but it's super easy. There's a power button on there. There's also an up and down arrow, so if you need somebody to adjust it for you, you can have them do it. But you literally, all you do is click the power button on here, and then you click the power button on the pulse thing itself. And it does attach with these clips on there. It's kind of cool how it works out. But you click the power button on the controller, you click the power button on the pulse thing, and then they automatically connect. You know they're connected when they show this signal. It's like a Wi-Fi bar right there. That tells you that the controller and the pulse is connected. And then after that, you literally just make sure you're in M1, because that's what the first week is telling you to be in. And then you want to just click on the up arrow until you feel some sort of shock. It will like let you know what kind of shock it is. So I'll play around with it. I clicked up and down a couple times and I got to like level 8. So it'll kick on once you change the level for about 2 to 3 seconds, just to show you the intensity, and it'll kick off. And then that kind of just lets you know what kind of level you prefer, move it up and down. And then I got to level 8. That's what I felt comfortable with, so I left it there. And then after it kicks on to like just let you know, hey, you're on level 8, after about 15 to 20 seconds, then it'll start the session and it'll just stay on for 25 minutes. Whew, I'm really tired. I hope this helps. I hope this works. And I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'll let you know how I feel tomorrow. I'll make a quick video tomorrow, let you guys know how I feel. Not assuming anything, but I probably won't feel any different than I do today or the days before. But hopefully as the weeks go by, everything starts improving and I can tell you guys, yo, get this. But right now, obviously I'm just testing out, just being super transparent with everything. And let's just hope that this works so that you guys can also get out of pain. And I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. Like I mentioned, quick video, 2 to 3 minutes, super quick. But I'm gonna do the session, 25 minutes, and then I'll do the exercises. They're super straightforward, and I'll make a video of those exercises so that everybody knows what to do, and then I'll go to bed. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow morning with an update, and then I'll redo it and keep going. All right, much love, guys. Happy New Year tomorrow. Happy New Year. 2023 is going to be lit. It's going to be amazing. Let's have the best year, and hopefully this device really makes it a better year. And I'm hoping that I go back and get to buy more of these pads and just say, hey, this is all I need. This is all I need to get better. Obviously, I'm going to be doing all my exercises, all my stretches, and all that good stuff. I'm not letting go of that. It's kind of like the flossing, the icing in the cake. I hope this just really helps. All right, peace out, guys. I just thought, hey, before I end this video, I'm just gonna keep going here. So the pulses stopped. I took it off my back. I took the NeuroMD off my back, and it felt, you know, like a TENS unit. It felt like a TENS unit. So I got used to level 8 pretty quickly, but I just left it just to chill, and you know, it's only mode 1 first day, so whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exercises. They're right here, super simple. Let me just show you really quick the exercises here. So we have this is like a glute stretch, of course. Then we have a partial crunch, so pretty simple, self-explanatory. Need a chest. Then we have cat-cow yoga. We have the bridge, and then we have lying knee twist. And I believe that's the last one, because that said after page 15, you're done. All right, yeah, exactly. So it's about 6 exercises, super straightforward. It tells you how long, how to do them, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and then I'll follow up with you guys in a second. But it pretty much felt like I had a TENS unit attached to my back, which isn't a bad thing. It felt relaxing, super comfortable, and it's super nice that it sticks to your back, so you feel really comfortable and you get to like walk around. I probably won't be sitting much while I do it. Just feel like I should be like walking around, kind of like activating my muscles a little bit instead of just sitting sanitary. But hey, let's do the exercises now and follow these instructions to the letter. See if we can get some good improvements. All right, let me go ahead and do them. Alrighty, guys, I just got the exercises done. Look, my glasses are even fogging up. I don't even know if that's picking it up. I did them in my bedroom. I will say, during the exercises, especially the cat-cow yoga exercise, I did feel my back like tensing up, and it was like exhausted. Like, it was weird. It felt really tight is what I mean. So my lower back to mid back area just felt like really tight. I'm not sure if that was from the neuro impulses from the NeuroMD, or if after I was doing the exercise before that, which was, let's take a look, I was like page 14 or something, or 13. So that could have been after I did the crunches, because I was doing the glute pose and I was okay with that one, but maybe after the crunches, my back might have tensed up. So it didn't feel like my back was tight before doing the exercises. But once I got to cat-cow, which is the 4th exercise, my back felt like really tight. So I don't know, just want to throw my input in there and just be honest and transparent. I did every single exercise to the T. I even timed everything, and I also timed the 25-minute NeuroMD device to see if it would shut off in 25 minutes automatically, and it does definitely shut off in 25 minutes. So that was kind of cool to see that it legitimately does turn off at 25 minutes into the session. So I did the exercises, gonna put the pamphlet back with everything, and then that kind of closes off my first day of using the NeuroMD guide and the impulse machine with the controller on my lower back. Hopefully it helps my herniated disc at L5S1. And yeah, first day down. Don't feel any different. Sciatica doesn't feel any better But like I said, it's just the first day. Rome wasn't built in one day. So I'll keep you guys updated after a week. And then after a week, I'll keep you guys updated on the second week. And then we'll just go from there. Much love, guys. I hope you guys appreciate these videos. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this, guys, so that you guys can follow along. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any additional questions. Be more than happy to answer them for you. And make sure to like the video. It really means a lot to support the channel. And lastly, I did create a new playlist. Should be up above here to check it out. So I'll put all my weeks under there just in case you want to follow along the process if you're doing it with me or just curious how the process is going. So here we go. Much love. Good night, guys. Happy New Year.